Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a very beautiful, elegant, and classy design ideas of borderline embroidery. As borderline embroidery is one of your favorites, so I am here with you along with some more new, creative, funky, and beautiful, stylish design patterns of borderline embroidery. You can use them for a wide variety of reasons and a wide variety of ways. But before going into the further details, I would request you to do subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my videos and leave comments in the comment section so that we could hurriedly and easily get to know what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. Guys, we try our level best on daily basis to share creativity and beautiful ideas with you, and this video is one of the result of those efforts. So do appreciate us by liking our videos, by subscribing our channel, and meet you soon in our new and upcoming videos and design ideas. Up till then, take care, stay blessed. I hope that you have enjoyed the design ideas and design patterns of today.